Welcome to video 33, perfect squares in a different number base. Here's the problem. Find the smallest base b such that the square root of 5, 4 base b equals some integer in base b. So secretly what they're asking you to do is have this be a perfect square, because the square root of a perfect square is an integer. All right. So don't ever be afraid of guess and check. So we're going to use that right here. So what you want to do is find out where you should start. So just look at all of the digits in the problem. I've got a 5 and a 4. Based on that, I must be base 6 or above. Whatever your highest digit is, your base must be 1 digit higher. All right, so I'm just going to use guess and check. And I'll just try base 6, base 7, I'll write them out for you. Base 6, base 7, base 8, base 9, base 10, etc. And for this unit, typically all the answers are between base 2 and base 16. All right, so just to get a handle on it, in base 10, the square root of 54 is not an integer. 54 is not a perfect square, so just getting that out of the way. Okay, so let's go to base 6. So if this were base 6, let's expand it to base 10, because I'm really good with my perfect squares in base 10. All right, so going to base 10. So go to base 10. So this would be the, that's always the 1s, and that'll be the 6s. And then over here will be the 1s and the 7s, the 1s and the 8s, etc. So over here, it would be 5 6s plus 4. That's 34 in base 10. That's not a perfect square. So I cross it off my list. Let's try base 7. Okay, so if it was base 7, then I've got 5 7s plus 4 1s. That's 35 plus 4. That's 39. Not a perfect square. Okay, let's try base 8. 5 8s plus 4. That's 44. And base 10, not a perfect square. Oh, it's getting tedious. I hope this works out. Base 9. 5 times 9 plus 4. That's 45 plus 4. That's 49 base 10. 49 base 10 is a perfect square. So that means that in base 9, this would work out. So again, 5 4 base 9 is the equivalent of 49 base 10, and the square root of 49 in base 10 is 7, which is an integer, so the equivalent base 9 result over here would also be an integer. So the answer is base 9. And there you have it, how to find perfect squares and solve equations in different number bases by guess and check.